Hello, I'm Kenny in a video with a Lego vending machine. Here's a 360 view. Assorted bricks. To get a candy, you must insert a penny. Here's a penny. This tray will pop out. And here's your candy. Sorry, that was really. And then, if you try to pull it more, it'll stop here because there's a lock here. To refill the machine, you need to open this brick, which I will do. Hold on. I've opened these two. If you want to put refill, you put it back here. And then you put it back there. Okay, now we just put this here. There. Now you got your refilled candy. If you want your money back, this is how it works. I will show you in a sec. Put it in. Pull this out. And there's your money. Put this back in and take it out. Here is the mechanism. Hold on. Here is the mechanism. Hold on. Okay. Penny got pushed in the slot. I pulled this tray out. And there's my candy. This is kind of hard to see, but that brown flat part has stopped the thing from moving on, from here. And remember, you get your money from here, which I will stop. This is a pretty good vending machine I made. If you want. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.